So this is what I want to ask you girls today. Have you, either one of you guys, ever cooked anything in a crock pot?
Many times, yes.
You have. Do you do that at home?
I do it at my dad's house.
At your dad's house? Have you ever cooked in a crock pot? No? For this recipe, you need 2 pounds of chicken breasts or thighs cubed, 1 cup of uncooked brown rice, 2 10-ounce cans of cream of chicken soup, 2 10-ounce cans of cream of celery soup, 2 14-ounce cans of chicken broth, 2 16-ounce packages of frozen sliced carrots, thawed, and 2 cups of half and half cream. Okay, so now we have all of our ingredients here. I think this is everything. And the first thing I want to show you, because you may not know if you've never done crock pots before, is that the crock pot has 2 pieces. So that piece at the bottom is all the heat in it. And it heats all the way around. You can see in that tub, see all that metal? All the metal gets hot, so it heats very evenly. And then you have the big bowl. And I have this round one, and I also have a long oval one too. Alright, so let's take our top off. The chicken is going to go in first, and the recipe tells you exactly what to do. Sometimes I do not cut up the chicken breasts, and I just put them right down in the bottom of the thing. And then when it cooks, after it cooks, the chicken gets really soft, and I break apart the chicken afterward. I did forget one thing. Is you're going to spray this bowl because it's going to be in there a long time and you don't want the chicken to stick. So this time I did cut up the chicken. I cut it up before you girls got here. So we're going to spray our bowl. Just a nice, oops, did it get on you? A nice even spray. You don't need that anymore, I don't think. And then do you guys, let me do the chicken because you always need to be careful with chicken. I'm just going to pour it in there. I'm going to spread it around a little bit. Here's an important thing to know. Chicken, you don't want to touch chicken or ground beef and then like touch your mouth or touch other foods. Always wash your hands after you've touched chicken. So all I did was just spread that around on the bottom a little bit, and I'm going to go put my bowl in the sink right away. I'm going to wash my hands. Who's ready to stir and pour and do all this stuff? All right, we're gonna put in, Allison, you put in that rice.
Thank you.
Yep, yes. Put it in there. Okay, so here's this. That's a spatula. And you can put in this first cup of soup. You pour it right in here. See if you can pour it out. It doesn't want to pour, does it? Use your spatula. Ooh, there you go. Is there anything left where you need to spatula it out? No? Here. There's a little bit left. So, you see a little bit left. I don't know if you can see that or not. So, I just use the spatula and we use up all that soup because we need it to be nice and creamy. There's one for you. So now we put in the cream of chicken soup. You did good, girl. Stir it all up so it's all nice and mixed together and the rice is mixed in.
I have cooked before, but like I haven't cooked in a crock pot. Yeah. I've cooked biscuits.
Nice. Stir, stir, stir. You're doing good.
I've made birthday biscuits for Amanda's birthday.
You did?
Yeah.
Were they good, Amanda?
Yeah, they were good.
All right, Amanda, can you get in there, dig real deep? Get all that rice in the bottom. So you can see that rice is starting to come up. Yeah.
I couldn't do that. Like, it's kind of stiff.
Yes, it's very, yeah. Well, those soups are thick. You notice how both of those soups are thick? Those are called, they're cream of whatever, cream of chicken, cream of celery, cream of mushroom. There's a cream of mushroom. Tomato soup, if you buy condensed tomato soup at the store, they're meant to add liquid to them. So, you put them in the pan and then you add some liquid to them. And just like this, we're going to add some liquid to this. You feel that that's pretty good stirred?
I think it's getting there.
All right, nice. Now we're going to use chicken broth. Yes, exactly, chicken broth. Natural goodness. I like Swanson, and I always get the one with a little bit less sodium. This is a big clump, yes. If we add all of this liquid all at one time, we're not going to get all the lumps out because, it's hard to find. So what we do, and then it gets me where it's all liquidy and the lumps, so you can't get to the lumps because they're rolling around. So what we're going to do is add a little bit
At a time?
Yep, and I'm stripping it, so I'm going to put this here. And then we're going to see how it doesn't want to incorporate. What does incorporate mean?
Like, I don't know.
Your sister knows. Incorporate, in this case, it means mix and all become one.
Yeah, so you know how when you make slime and you add your ingredients, it starts to
The activator.
Yeah, and the water doesn't want to mix in.
And you have to stir.
Yeah.
It's kind of like that.
Are you ready to do it on your own?
Mm-hmm.
And Allison, it's going to get easier to stir the more the more liquid we get in there.
Mm-hmm.
See, it's already a little easier.
Yeah, it's much easier now.
All right, pour a little more in there, you think? See how it breaks right through? And you just have to stir, stir, stir so it all mixes together. Or else it doesn't want to mix. You have to make it mix.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want your sister to pour? It's still heavy. You got it? Is it still a little stiff?
Yeah, a bit. It's a bit stiff.
It is.
Yeah.
Do you need some milk? Or you got this?
Think you need some more liquid?
Yeah.
Good.
That should be good.
Rest Allison's arms, huh?
Thank you, Allison.
Now let's pour the whole thing in there. Every last bit. Did I do it too soon? You think it's too early?
Yeah.
Okay, I might have spoke too soon. There's a little bit of lumps. I might have spoke too soon. See, that's what happened. I got impatient, didn't I? I'm like, I need it now. But she's doing real good. Stirring it in, stirring it in.
And I can already see that there's less. It's getting there.
Go ahead and pour it all in.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's not too bad. Just be careful as you go around that last stir. It wants to jump out. That bowl is full. All right, I think that's great. Let's put in the carrots. That's okay. That's better, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. You haven't done?
Yeah. There's one lucky survivor.
All right.
There was.
And one on the, yep. Yeah, either way. And then put that bowl, let's put everything in the sink because we're ready to pour it in the crock pot. You can keep stirring if you want.
Everything?
No.
Everything in the sink. Like put everything in the sink and it's like everything?
No, not everything. All right, one last nice shot of it. That's our soup with everything in it except for the cream and the chicken.
Both sides.
Oh my gosh, this is so big.
You can see it.
Yep, I'm making a little bit of a splashy mess. But you have to do it in the bowl first because the chicken stays on the bottom of the crock pot because you want that chicken to be cooked all the way. Put the top on.
Chicken smoothie is now flooded.
Yes, this is what I was saying is the chicken's on the bottom so that it cooks all the way. You want to make sure that chicken cooks really good. What I don't remember, so now we're going to plug it in over on the wall, but this says here you cook on low for 7 to 8 hours.
7 to 8 hours?
Yes. So you can see on this crock pot it has off, low, high, and warm. And we're going to put it on low. You plug it into the wall and you just let it cook. And there's one more thing that we have to do to it. We have one more ingredient. What is it?
The cream.
The cream. So we'll have the cream.
Half and half cream?
Half and half cream, exactly. And then the soup will be done. So we're going to have to wait till dinner time.
Yeah.
You think it'll be good?
Yeah.
I think so too. All right. Bye. We'll see you in a little bit.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. It's been 7 whole hours.
7 hours, believe it or not. 7. And we are
finally come back to the video.
for what?
For the crock pot.
Yep, the crock pot soup. This is, hold on, let me show you. This is a bubbling. It is bubbling and cooking.
And I wish you guys could smell how good that smells.
It smells good.
Smell.
Okay. So the last step for us making this soup is what?
Half and half cream.
Half and half cream.
Yeah.
See, Allison? All right. Oops, that's trash. And
What's trash?
the top.
lid?
Yeah,
We're using
Woo.
this whole bottle?
we're gonna use this whole bottle. Pouring in the cream. Yeah. Pouring in the cream. Pouring in the cream. Pouring in the cream. That's it. Cream's gone. And then.
Oh, my fingers are in the way.
All right. You see that color? It lightened it up a lot and it made it a little bit creamier. So put the top on. We're gonna let it, put it on high, change it from low to high for 15 or 20 minutes. That cream is gonna thicken it all up and then we're gonna try the soup.
I'm sure it smells delicious.
It does smell really good, doesn't it? All right, see you in 15 or 20 minutes.
Bye-bye.
Still bubbling. And it's, you can see it's thicker. Okay.
Much thicker than I
Yep.
expected.
You want to just taste a little bit or a lot?
A little bit. Not very much.
Let's just do a little bit.
I want this
A little bit.
I want this much. Oh, Michelle, I want this much.
All right.
This
I'm gonna give you a
much.
carrot.
Oh my god, it's delicious.
It's very hot.
It is delicious.
I'm gonna taste it.
It is so good.
It's pretty good soup, isn't it? Not everybody likes soup. I am going to turn it off and unplug it. Let me taste it.
I'm burning my mouth because it's so good.
I'm gonna cut my carrot up a little bit because the whole carrot would be super hot right now. Should you blow on it, Allison?
Nope.
Blow on it. Like this.
So I eat a lot of things that are just kind of really hot. So.
You know, we didn't even put any salt and pepper or anything in there.
No, and it's
That's
really
pretty
good. And it's really good.
I haven't tried it yet.
Perfect.
You have it? You want to taste one spoonful and blow on it?
This is a perfect, no seasoning bowl of soup. And it is so good. I'm sure y'all will enjoy it very much. I know we are.
So.
I know we are.
Are you sure?
Oh, that's hot.
It is hot, yes.
That's pretty good stuff, though. Well, let us know if you try any crock pot recipes.
And try this one. Tell us what you think about it.
Yeah. You okay? It's super hot? Burn your tongue? It's too hot? You don't like it?
I don't really like it.
She doesn't like anything, does she? I don't think so.
The sugar cookies.
Oh, except for sugar cookies. And you know what? I think we'll do some crock pot recipes again sometime.
Sure.
I want to do the chicken, the spicy sweet and sour chicken one. She doesn't want to do that one either.
No.
I think that since she's not going to eat it anyway, we'll just put the cayenne pepper in it anyway.
Okay.
Since she's not going to eat it. But, yeah, we'll do some crock pots again later. That's it.
Yeah.
See you later. Thank you.
Bye.
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 Allison said bye.
Yeah.
Even though she doesn't like it.
Can I get myself a little bit more?
What, honey?
I'm going to get myself a little bit more.
Yeah, absolutely. Have as much as you want. That's what it's there for.
I didn't get any chicken.
It's heavy. The whole bowl is moving.